Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. Finally my Dollar Tree has some fall decor, and I went today. Well, I've went several different times, but today is the day that they had the stuff. So they didn't have everything out, so he let me go through the boxes. Thank you, Ryan. I had called several different times in a row, and inquired about different stuff that I was looking for, and today they had it. So my little helper, as usual, is here with me, and you will probably see him pop in here and there. I can't do anything about that, and I don't know how you guys keep your kids from being in your videos, but he's here, and you'll probably hear him, and I've got him a little chair sitting here in case he wants to join in with me. So, let's move on. But before we get started, I just wanted to remind you, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's just one little click of a button down below, and we very much appreciate it. And I'm just trying to make my channel grow, and I would appreciate it if you wanted to be a part of it. So let's go ahead and show you what we start off. I wanted to show these little glass pumpkins. Oh, ain't they so cute? I got the green one, a gold, coppery looking one, and an actual gold one. This one's more of like a copper gold. So I got those three. I thought they were so cute. And I have all my bags sitting here waiting to go through them. When I seen the box, when I first walked into the Dollar Tree, there was hardly nothing on the shelves, and I was like, this is another wasted trip. And then so I go around to like where the dishes and stuff are, and that's also where they keep their stock room, is over on that side. And lo and behold, there was some boxes. Hold on just a second. Sorry, my son had a meltdown. So the things that they keep on stock are on the same side as the dishes. So when I went over there, anyway, there was all these boxes. And Ryan, the guy that works there, told me that I could go through them. And so the first things that I got out was this fall sign. Logan. Ain't it so cute? He's such a turd. Anyway, I thought it was so cute. We could do so many DIYs with this. If you turn it sideways, it gives it a nice look too. This way is nice. You can add it with something. It's just a really nice piece to pick up. Next, I got these pumpkins. It says thankful and blessed. These are really cute just as they are. You could use them just like they are and decorate with them, and you know, just hang them up or add them to a wreath or whatever. Or you can redo them, which is probably what I'm going to do. You can do your own little spin on them and make them cute. So I got those. These next pumpkins, I love them. They're so cute. When I seen them, I was like, oh boy. I don't know if everybody gets this excited as I do about the Dollar Tree. Please don't make fun of me for it. I just really enjoy it. But look how cute are these. It says Farm Fresh, and they're so pretty. I already love the way these look without doing them over or, you know, making them my own. I like the way they are already. So I'm going to try to keep one the way it is, and then do one craft or something with the others. And then next, which I was shocked to find these, and I got a little carried away with them. They had these Happy Harvest little truck signs, and they're so cute. And I got 4 of them. Actually, I gave one to my mom, but I love these, and I thought there were so many fun things that I can do with these. So if you see the little trucks, scoop them up because they're great. And then, well, obviously I got more of those pumpkins than what I thought I did, because here I just found 2 more. I don't know. Sometimes I get in the Dollar Tree and it's like a fog comes over when I get excited and find something, and then I'm like, I just grab it. I don't know. Am I the only one that does that? Next, I snagged up That's my son playing with his new steering wheel. I snagged up these. They came open, but I didn't care because it didn't damage any of them. But they're little pumpkins that you can add to like flower arrangements. And they had orange too, but I just went ahead and got these in case I wanted them to stay a light color. And then, of course, if I wanted them to be orange, I can just paint them orange instead of getting 2 different packs. And then I lost my ever-loving mind the ribbon aisle. I seen all these ribbons and I was like, oh my goodness. So these are the little truck ribbons. It's got little pumpkins in the back. So cute. And then these, they're just like a shiny ribbon. And I thought they were really pretty fall colors because this color I've noticed is everywhere. So I got those. And then I got these, which this is like the gingham or buffalo check. And I wanted the black and white, but I didn't see it. And this one is, it seems to be more like a burlap material. I'm not quite sure. And then this is just the darker jute twine or cord. And then here is the little pumpkins, which is oh so cute. And it would look cute together, I thought. And then I found this bling. One is green, one is silver, and this chevron. So, that's what I got in the ribbons, and I thought I'd hit the jackpot. I was so happy. And then I got this cute little straw bale right here. I thought it was so cute to decorate with. I loved these. Next, moving on, I found this little glass pumpkin. I hadn't seen one like this yet. I've seen their other pumpkins, but this is the first time I've seen this one. It's got the little leaves on it. Yeah, he's such a big helper. Look, come over here and tell them how much you like to shop. Then next I got these pumpkins. They're styrofoam pumpkins. They don't weigh anything. They're sort of like an orange color, but more or less of that coppery color. And then I got these 2 pumpkins. These 2 are wrapped already. They're just styrofoam wrapped up. They're really cute. And there's my cat. I can't make a video without all this commotion. I don't know what to tell you guys. If you're expecting professionalism here, I'm not a professional, obviously. And my channel is still small, so get what you get. Next, I got these suns. I got 2 of them. They say home sweet home. They're so cute. I love them. There's my cat still in the background. I'm being silly. Anyways, so I thought those were really cute to do some crafts with. And then I got this one. Look how pretty this one is. It's got the bicycle on it and pumpkins. And then it looks almost like a tiger print, but it's not. So that's cute. It's a little stake. You can shove it in the ground. Oh, yeah. Cut. No, I'm kidding. Next, I got these bows. They are so super cute. This one has pumpkins. This one is more, to me that reminds me a little of Christmas. That kind of pattern does, but the colors aren't. And this one, these are so pretty. Look at that color. So vibrant, and orange and yellow. And then finally, my absolute favorite thing that I went for. And the guy, Ryan, that works there actually put these back for me and saved them because I had been calling every day asking them if they had them. And I was so tickled when he was like, he said, "Are you the one that's been calling?" I was like, "Yes." And he said, "I put you some of those back." And I was like, "Oh my God." So, the velvet pumpkins. Look how stinking cute. And they had all different colors, and I can't hold them all. Logan. Oh, gosh. This one is my favorite. It is my absolute favorite. Look how cute this is. It's that blue color I really like, and it's velvet, and it's a pumpkin. It just has it all going on for it. It's so great. And then, of course, you know, the brown and the orange and the white, which I thought that the white one was really pretty. It looks farmhouse looking. Thank you. Do you want to come and show the pumpkin? Come over here and show the pumpkin. Say, look at the pumpkin. It's a wonderful pumpkin, and we're going to decorate. Yeah. You tell them all about it. Uh-oh. Tell them, say, I love this pumpkin. It's great. We're going to... Yeah. And then I have like a few flowers and things, but I had got those previously, so I'm not going to show those. That was my haul for today. I walked out of there feeling like $1,000,000. When you find a deal, I don't know what it does, but it just makes your adrenaline and everything go, woo! And you're like, yes! So I walked out today feeling like a winner. I was so excited, but I hope that you guys can find these things at your Dollar Tree too if you want them. I know how bad it sucks to see something at a Dollar Tree and then yours doesn't have it, and you know that everybody else is getting it, and it just makes you frustrated. I've drove to like 3 different Dollar Trees looking for this stuff, and I finally found it today. You know, it's over the moon, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm not in no way trying to encourage you to get out and go shopping, because we all know with COVID that you shouldn't be out shopping. So that's not what I'm doing. I'm just saying this is what I found at my store. This is what they have. I was excited about it. I wanted to share it with you, and that if you do go out to shop, that's at your own will, and I hope you find whatever it is that you're looking for. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That way you can see all my DIYs, my hauls. And if life gets back to normal, I might start to do some vlogs again. But as of right now, there's not really been anything going on. So there's nothing to really vlog about. But if you want to be a part of my channel, just go ahead and subscribe. And happy crafting, you all.